Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Almira Putridina from 7B.
And I'm Shalea Olomadina from 7B. And I'm Fiorenza Gidakaisa Permana from 7B.
To the point, we are gonna make some green tea. Yay!
One of my favorite drink. So we are gonna make the green tea at my house.
Oh my gosh!
Sure. Bye.
Okay, let's go to Shelia's house. Okay guys, meet you guys at Shelia's house. Bye! Okay, now we are gonna show you the ingredients and the tools to make green tea. First of all, the ingredients.
So we have a bag of green tea powder. We get a bag of sugar, a bottle of milk, and a hot water, and ice cube.
That's the ingredients. We're gonna get to the tools.
Okay, we need a filter, 3 glasses, measuring cup, and spoon.
Now, we're gonna show you the real tutorial how to make iced green tea. Do you wanna know it? Watch our video closely.
Yeah.
Okay, so first, we have to prepare the measuring cup.
Then we put the green tea powder into it.
It smells really good. After that, what do?
We put it next week.
We pour the hot water into the measuring cup. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna stir it or what?
We're gonna make it until well.
Until well stirred.
Mix.
Do you guys want to smell it? It smells so good.
Yeah. Very good.
What's the next step?
The glass help.
We prepare the glass.
Then
We're gonna put this away. We put the sugar and the milk inside the glass.
one spoon. Yes.
Okay, now we are gonna put the milk and the sugar inside the glasses. We're gonna put it just
A bit. You can add more if you like sweet.
okay. Now we are gonna pour the milk. So sad.
Oh no. My bad.
It's okay. After we do this, we are gonna filter the green tea and put it inside the glass. You wanna do it? I'll hold the glass. Okay, the green tea is done. Don't forget to stir the sugar and the milk and the green tea. Do you want to see it closely? It's so good. I wonder how it tastes like. Tastes like green tea. Wow.
I remember, yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Okay. Are we gonna try this green tea? Let's try it. Bismillah. Don't forget to say Bismillah. It's so good. Oh my gosh.
I think it's not enough. I want to
If you want, you can put more sugar or less.
It's optional
Yeah.
because I like sweet. Like you.
Yeah.
Like you.
So it's really tasty. It's really good. You guys
You guys gonna
you guys can make
try
this.
it. Try it.
You guys can make this at your home because the ingredients and the tools is really simple, and I really recommend this one. It's really good.
You can add a cube if you want it. Optional.
Cheers. We're gonna cheer. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, that's our tutorial. Isn't it great? Isn't it great? You guys know how to make something delicious. You do it on your own. And it feels good when you do it on your own and with your friends. That's really good. So maybe that's the end of our tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.